So people, we're gonna install these lights. Yeah. Thank you, Amazon. There we go. And no one tells you when you install these freaking lights that you need a harness kit, because they will not work on the 1996 Toyota Tacoma. So I'm gonna show you what you need, because there's no videos on YouTube saying it either, which makes no sense. In other words, what it is, if you don't buy the kit, just add a fuse to it. As you see here, it needs a fuse relay. So this cost me $26. In all total, I got $80 worth of materials here. But it's gonna be $80 that are gonna be worth it. It's gonna make the pickup truck look way better. There's the lights with black housing. So let me get it in. First thing is, open the damn hood right here. Pop it open. Some people don't understand that you need to do that to freaking get them in. Pop these carefully. It's an old truck, so it will destroy quick. But see, you just stick that flat in here, pop them out, and the grill will pop out. It's old and they're rare to find, so I would say take your time. The top is out. Also remember, you have another small one here. There's two, well actually three. One there and one over there. Successfully taking off this complicated grill. Be careful, because they are expensive and hard to find. Piece of crap. Oh, and for those asking where I did get this, I got this off of Amazon. It comes with two in the pack. You bolt it on there. But the grill's alright. Still brand new. I like this grill though. Once you get that removed, now we start. I'm gonna paint this black. I don't like the way it looks, so it can look a little bit darker, a meaner look. There you go. This little thing I just did here, you have these bolts right here that you're gonna have to remove. These small ones. Don't move these, this will move that. You just want to release this small metal piece that is what's holding this light in. Grab a Phillips screw. There's 4 of them. Careful you don't mess them up. Yo, how you feeling? Driver, if you can. You might run them or break them with a hammer drill or a drill period. But these lights are good, they're not messed up. And there goes the screws. Now I gotta find them. But makes it look a little bit better, and I am planning on selling it, so I want to give the customer something a little bit different to look at, and it wasn't that expensive. I want to enjoy it before I sell it. It is removed. Once it's removed, the light will fall right out. Unplug. Once you unplugged it, you'll see the difference. Big difference. this is our relay harness. Here you go. Now, as it seems, you connect it. Here we go. So you connect the new light here. You connect this to the old. There you go. The new light here. And connect this to the old. Screw this in. It's right next to the battery, so just bring it up right here. Connect it to the negative for the battery. So the light is connected. Once it's connected, use this piece. It goes right over the aftermarket light. Put your tiny rusted out bolts back in because we don't have others. You use the Phillips screwdriver to put them back in because I'm afraid they'll bust because they're old. But there you go. Looks like a robot now. Test shirt. For no label. Still testing crap out. Yes. She is very dirty. That's the way I like it. Just the way I like it. But next step is running the wire to the other side. Now it ain't gonna be like the first one that you had to plug in the light here and then the other male to there's no male female, there's only a female on this side, so it'll connect straight to the aftermarket light. There's only a male and female on this side, and it'll connect to one harness for the original vehicle. I don't know if y'all can understand me, but you only need to connect a male on the original, on the OEM. Only one OEM harness you need. Disconnect. Well, y'all understand. Whatever. It connects to one of the OEM harnesses. You do not need to connect this one. This one dies. So forget about this female. We have a new female now, taking over the spot. Pretty simple. Then you just connect this to a regular bolt that's laying around, and that is it. Now we have to test the light and see if it freaking works. There we go. So it is working. High beams will turn on the two bottom ones. And if it's just normal, the way it is now, it would just be the middle. She looks sexy. I really don't want to get rid of her. I wanted to turn it into a drift truck, but let's see what happens. God knows I'm a good kid. And I like nice things. So this is the final product with the low beams on. And that is high beam. So here we are. You gotta excuse me because this window is tinted, so it looks darker than what it really is. That one's even darker on the side. So, but as you see, tint, no tint. But turn on the lights. Those are my regular beams. High beam. Regular. High beam. Regular. High beam. Now you know how to install these damn lights. Thank you.